training simulation.
Heads up, hot shot. This is Agent J. Time to see what you're made of. Oh, and that red button. Don't even dream of pushing. That kind of shooting is not going to get you a suit. Let's go, let's go.
Emergency. Training sequence abort.
Hold your fire. Our shipment of alien bad guys has crash-landed smack dab in the middle of Manhattan.
Weapons energized to full power.
Everybody hit the streets. This is not a drill. Keep your eyes open. They could be hiding just about anywhere. Looks like they're packing some serious heat. Time to roll up the welcome mat and show these misfits what we're made of. Getting a bit hairy out there. Better split up.
That's no good.
It's an ambush.
That was a little close, but we all right. Everybody still in one piece? Good.
Just got a report that some bugs have infested the MIB fleet. Set up an X-ray checkpoint. This won't hurt a bit.
Bioscan initiated. Warning. Alien life forms detected.
Look out! The other power's full of bugs. Aim for the fusion exhaust port. What are you waiting for?
Hey, I got him! Woo-hoo! Oh, they're good. They're really good. Oh my God.
We got a massive golden tunneling under Times Square. It's going to take a hell of a lot more than a can of bug spray to take this from there. According to our satellites, this thing is the size of Alaska.
Florida. Oh, man, that's big.
Only one thing left to do. Push the red button.
Ah, man.
Crisis mode engaged. Deploying subatomic thermal disruptor.
No, look, alright? I had you in the beginning until you pressed the bonus. See? You only...
You had me at the very end. So I was looking at the scores the whole time. You finally caught up.
Okay.
And then,
Okay, well, still. I'm not yelling. See, cosmically average, that's you. That's you. You are cosmically average. You are cosmically average.
Not bad.
getting offended.
Not good enough.
It's hard.
Training level 4. Oh, it's not alright. You're cosmically average.
So then what makes that universe? You both made it.
Please remain seated until the attendant directs you to exit.
They did give us new blasters though. It's pretty cool. I like that. Because before it used to be just like one big circle, but now it's this.
Until the attendant directs you to exit.
Show your blaster.
So you kept shooting them on the back of the team, huh?
Yeah. What you gotta do is you gotta just turn around and just keep hitting them.
No, I did it once, but I didn't know you'd keep doing it.
Please remain seated until the attendant directs you to exit.
Theirs. I think I could do it to ours probably. I wonder if it would work. I'll do that next time.
Please remain seated
Yeah.
until the attendant directs you to exit.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, now it makes sense.
No, I didn't hit. I didn't hit ours. I hit theirs.
I know.
Yeah, I kept hitting theirs.
I know, but you weren't catching up until then. I was like, okay.
Hands
Maybe
up.
next time.
Hands up. Yeah, whatever. You're in denial. You're in denial that your brother is better than you and can catch up.
I'm in denial. You didn't do better than me.
Okay, whatever.
Please remain seated until the
Whatever helps you sleep at night, honey.
The one who's in denial is because you're sworn.
Whatever helps you sleep at night, honey.
The footage is in here to show how smooth.
Oh yeah, and the footage is going to show how good I am.
Please remain seated until the attendant directs you to exit.
Yeah, whatever. Whatever.
Come talk to me with your people instead of talking.
Oh yeah, whatever. You only won because of that boost at the end. You only won because of that boost at the end. That's it. Really. I bet if I went over to Revenge of the Mummy. No, I'm not yelling. I bet if I went over to Revenge of the Mummy right now, I showed Ramses II or whatever his name is, the footage, he would be like, oh yeah, she shook. Yeah, whatever.